Hi students, in the last video we have learned what is determinant. As we all very well know, determinant is the real number which is associated with the matrix, right? So it represents the matrix. So and we know we have learned in detail about how determinants work actually in the real world. So now I'll be teaching you different methods of solving this determinant, how to find the determinant from the matrix. So we'll be learning that now. So now there are two methods to find the determinants. One is expansion method. Another is Saris method. Okay, you people don't have this. You will be learning only expansion method. So what is this expansion method? Let's just see that in detail. Suppose, always remember students, determinant is represented within the bars, between the bars. For example, if it is like A11, B12, C21, CD22. So if this is the determinant, matrix, then determinant matrix, but not determinant. Okay, how do we find determinant? Look, it is very simple. You just have to multiply this and this. It is like A11 into D22. Subtract that with this. So minus B12 into C21. So this is A11 D22 subtracted with B12 C21. So this is the determinant value. You will get some value here. So that value is the determinant. So this is how you are supposed to find. Okay, we will solve this with an example. Okay, and before we actually get into the example, let me tell you how we got this minus here. Okay, there is some nature of matrix. Okay, if it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, look here, what are you they have their own signs. It is like plus, minus, minus, plus. So this is the nature of the determinant. Okay, the actual sign which each value holds in the determinant is this. And if it is 3 cross 3 matrix, so this is how it is: plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this is actually the rule in which the matrices, each element of matrices will have default default signs like this. Okay, remember this. So according to that, if you are multiplying this and this, then obviously you have to subtract with this and subtract. See, look here, it's like this, subtracted with the product of this. Okay, subtracted with the product of this. So you'll understand better, don't worry for now. This you will learn this concept in cofactors and minors. There it is very much important for you people to know, but you have to know about this, how this works actually. We'll learn that in detail. For now, I will learn with an example now. For example, if you have a value like this, if you have to find the determinant of 2, 1, 5 and 6. Okay, what is the determinant of this matrix? So it is very simple. As I told you, you're supposed to multiply crossways. Okay, multiply crossways. 2 6 0, and since we know that the sign for this value is negative, it is subtracted with 5 1 0, 5. So it is like 5 1 0. So finally 2 6 0 is 12, minus 5 1 0 is 5. So 12 minus 5 is 7. So 7 is the determinant of this matrix. 7 is the determinant of this matrix. Hope you have understood this. So now this is for 2 cross 2. What if you have some like 3 cross 3? If 3 cross 3 matrix, like if you have A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2, A3, B3 and C3. So if this is the determinant, okay, determinant matrix, how will you determinant matrix? This is determinant matrix. What is the determinant of this matrix? Now look here, I'll tell you very important thing. Remember, if I have to find the determinant of 3 cross 3, remember the rule. Carefully observe this method. So what you're supposed to do is, now look here, I'll tell you one thing. In this 2 cross 2 matrix, you can see carefully, you are just cross multiplying. Since it is just 2 cross 2, you just simply cross multiply and get the value. Here it is not that case. You can't simply cross multiply anything, right? So how will you do is, look here, suppose I'm finding the determinant of A1. So A1 is the determinant matrix. So even in this case, let me tell you, the determinant of 2, if you are cancelling this ways, determinant of 2 will be what? 6. It's like this. Okay, and what is the sign we have here? Minus. Okay, now what is the determinant of this one? If you're cancelling this, you get what? Remaining is 5. So that becomes 1 times 5. So that is where we are getting 2 6 are 12. Sorry, 2 6 are 12 and 5. So that is 7. So similarly, even here we are supposed to do the same. Now look here, what is the determinant of this element A1? So it is nothing but A1 times, okay, how will you do? You just delete this row and delete this particular column. Okay, and we also know this is positive, right? This is positive, this is negative, and this is positive according to this rule, right? So now if you cross this, what is remaining? This is remaining, right? So write it down, B2 C2, B3 C3. Now what is the sign here? Negative. So negative. Now we are supposed to find determinant of an element for B1. So it is B1 times what? So now look here. So cancel this entire row and this entire column. So what is remaining? A2 C2. So look here, A2 C2, A3 C3, and then at last we have C1. So what is the determinant of this C1? So if you consider this C1, okay, what is the sign for this C1? It is positive. So plus C1, okay, I don't have space here, I'll adjust here itself. Okay, if you cancel out this and this particular row and column, delete this row and column, what is the resultant? A2 B2, then A3 B3. So this is how it is. This is how you are supposed to find the determinant for 3 cross 3 matrix, and this is how you find determinant for 2 cross 2 matrix. So then further it is very simple. A1 times, now you know you're supposed to multiply this and this accordingly, right? Then you get some value here. Then B1 into multiply this and this, you get some, multiply this, subtract with this, and then again multiply this, subtract with this, multiply and subtract. So that is how finally you get some value out of this. So that is the determinant. So hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching the video.